Well, hello. We are going today to do an activity in order to promote phonemic awareness. Phonemic awareness is the ability to be able to listen to the sounds in words. This is not grapheme phoneme correspondence in which we match the sound to the letter, but we are only going to pay attention to the sounds in words. So we are going to do this activity in which we have circles cut out of colored paper, and we are going to tell the children, for example, okay, we're going to say a word and we will have to put each of these circles in these boxes based on the sound that you hear. For example, the word sit. So s, I, t, sit. So first we segment it and then we blend the sounds together. Then after that we say, okay, now instead of saying sit, we are going to say sat. What sound did we change? The beginning, the middle, or the end sound? So in this case is the middle sound. So we're going to change this one to this one. So what does it say here? S-at. Sat. All right. Now, instead of sat, I want to say pat. What sound did I change? Pat. I changed the beginning sound. So, you move this circle and you put a new one. So, what does it say now? P-at. Pat. And instead of saying pat, I want to say pack. This is a nonsense word. Okay, it doesn't matter because we are just trying to listen to the sounds of the words. Pack. So in this case, we are changing the ending sound. Pack. So we move this and we bring in a different color. So what does it say now? P-ack. Pack. All right. And this way, we can keep on developing this awareness of the sounds in words.